Hi, I'm Travis with Spectrum Overhead Door. Garage door springs are undoubtedly one of the most important components of your garage door. Without the assistance of your spring, your garage door would be extremely heavy, sometimes weighing between 150 to 300 pounds or more. Most people don't give much thought to their garage door or their garage door springs until it breaks. But when it does, it can be very inconvenient, sometimes trapping your vehicle in your garage or keeping you from going to work. The job of the torsion springs is to counterbalance the weight of the door. So when your springs are set up correctly, the door should feel almost weightless, and you should be able to lift the door with just a couple fingers. The average garage door spring is rated between 10 and 15,000 cycles. For most people, that translates to about 7 to 10 years. On top of that, lack of lubrication and lack of general garage door maintenance throughout the years can really take its toll on your spring, also further reducing its life. It is always better to replace your spring before it breaks. That way you won't have to deal with the inconvenience that comes with a door that will not open. Spectrum Overhead Door has been working on garage door springs since 2006. We carry all the standard springs and all the general garage door parts on all of our garage door service trucks. We will always replace your garage door spring with the exact spring needed for your door. We don't take any shortcuts or we don't cheap out on this. It should go without saying that installing the correct spring is very, very important when it comes to the functionality of your garage door. At this time, you might consider upgrading to high cycle springs. With high cycle springs, you can get 2 or 3 times the lifespan. The reason why these springs last longer is that there's more coils at a thicker diameter, and that spreads the weight across the whole spring. The cost to upgrade to high cycle springs is very minimal compared to the price that you pay. It is a much better value in the long run to go ahead and install these high cycle springs. Spectrum Overhead Door can replace your broken garage door spring the same day of your call, and sometimes just within 1 or 2 hours. You can be confident that when you call on us, we will make every attempt to be on time, our pricing will be straightforward, our service will be professional, and all your work will get done right the first time. If you're looking for a professional garage door company that's going to give you the highest value possible, Spectrum Overhead Door is the right choice for you. Give us a call right now. You can count on us. I know you won't regret it. We look forward to speaking with you. Have a blessed day.